Our body is made up of cells. You probably already knew that. We talked about this in another episode. Your brain is made up of brain cells. Your skin is made up of skin cells. All of the parts of your body are made up of cells. And guess what cells are made up of? They're made of molecules. Every single cell has what's called a molecule. Many, many, many molecules, in fact, to build up one cell. And in each molecule, there's something much smaller than a cell, much smaller than a molecule. It's called an atom, A-T-O-M. Not atom like atoms, but atom. These little itty-bitty tiny atoms are made up of just a couple of things. They're made up of what? Do you know? They're made up of electrons and protons, neutrons, protons, neutrons, electrons. Okay, so we've got all of these basically spinning things where there's a number of protons, electrons, neutrons. There's a number of these. The neutron is in the middle. The protons and neutrons go around the outside, and that makes up an atom, A-T-O-M. Each of these atoms get messed up from things called cell phones, radio, EMF, that's electromagnetic frequency. So when we put a cell phone to our ear, when we have a cell phone in our pocket, when we have a laptop on our lap, the energy, the microwaves from all of the different type of radio waves, radio frequency, cell waves, electromagnetic waves, all of these things can disturb the protons and the neutrons and the electrons. So what's going to happen is you might lose a proton or neutron. You might gain a proton or neutron. One might go from this atom to this other atom. And as they get messed up, as these electrons get effed up, then you start having issues, problems. These issues and problems can result in cancer. They can result in getting sick. They can result in not sleeping well. They can result in a number of different ailments, okay? And these ailments are not ideal. We don't want these ailments.